Hi and welcome to today's video blog. So today I'm going to talk about the topic of brevity, and this is the idea that when we reach our head above the parapet to speak and be heard, to share our ideas, it's really important that we understand the concept that less is more, so that we can really land our ideas with the people we're speaking to and they take it away, rather than us sharing an idea in so many words with so many different convoluted ideas that people just switch off or don't really know what we're talking about. So this is the difference between clear and concise and waffling. Here are 3 tools and tips for you. Firstly, prepare. So go into a speaking situation that has any weight or consequence, knowing your objective, know what you want to get out of it. So literally write it down, and then write down the 3 to 5 points that serve your objective. A tip with that is, if you want to add some depth to it, you can also mention or bring into your thinking your values, why this matters to you, why is this objective important. So for me, giving people tools to be their best selves so that they can achieve their dreams and goals is really inspiring. Be mindful. So when we don't have brevity, there's a tendency really to over-explain and to say things in multiple different ways. The consequence of that is that the listener has to sort for themselves the wheat from the chaff, which can be very difficult. And so what you want to do is get very, very clear, what is the wheat? What is the nugget that I'm trying to share? And make sure that you have that clarity on getting those ideas into your listener's head. Let's say you've got 20 seconds and you're in the middle of a meeting, you want to say something. Don't just think, oh, I've got a general idea, wing it. Write down 3 to 5 words that are associated with what you want to say and number them in the order you want to say them. And that serves as a mini structure. It can be brilliant and use it very, very effectively. So the next and final tip for you today is about connection. It's easy to forget when we're talking that communicating is a two-way process. Even if we're talking, that communication dynamic is so important. If they happen to switch off, just take that moment to be honest about it. So connect with them through a question. Are you still with me? Is this clear? Can I be clearer? And that just creates a bridge. It just brings it back to the present moment. It makes it authentic. It makes them engage because they feel important. And with that, you can take a moment to reconnect to your objective. So to round this all up, brevity is really important, particularly in the workplace, because it allows you to have impact and authority, which is something that everyone needs. I hope that's really helpful. If you want to find out more, please call us up or book a taster and come and learn some more of our fabulous tools.